Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Estrada, and today you received your first weekly overview for distance learning. So since this is our first one I'm sending out, I just wanted to make a little video just explaining to you the information contained here. First of all, you'll notice that I have information about our Zoom meetings at the top. Every morning, we're meeting at 8:30 a.m. to kick off our day, get attendance done, and that's the whole class meeting at that time. And then again at 10:30 a.m., the kids get back on Zoom as a whole class to meet after our recess block. Now, we'll also have additional small group meetings throughout that time during the morning, so they'll be kind of on and off of Zoom from 8:30 to 12:30 every day. And if you ever need the information for our Zoom meeting, it is also included here at the top of this document. Now you'll notice that this has a bit of a schedule of when we will be working on different assignments during the day, and you have it by each day of the week. So this first block from 10:30 to 10:15, you can see these would be our math activities for that particular day. It's a little different from day to day, but kind of the same schedule of some kind of fact practice, some kind of math lesson, learning new information, independent practice, and possibly some extra practice on Prodigy, which is another math game that the kids play online. From 10:15 to 10:30, every day the kids will be having their recess. So this is their time to get a snack, get a drink, use the bathroom, maybe stretch a little, run in place, so that they do get that brain break that is so needed during the day. When they come back at 10:30, the whole class will be together again for a little bit of instruction in reading and writing. We'll do some activities together, then I'll release them to do some independent work while I meet with small groups. So you can see here every day, some of the reading and writing assignments are the same in the schedule every day, the things that we work on, but then it's also going to vary depending on the day. At 12:30, that is the end of our time together on Zoom for the day, and the kids can take a break and eat their lunch, but then they do need to be in the habit of continuing to work in the afternoon. This is where they're going to need to work on their other subjects and also just finish up any assignments that they may not have finished earlier in the day. So you can see sometimes you might have a science activity added to the afternoon, a social studies assignment. Here they need to get onto iReady. So in addition to completing what they didn't complete during the day, they do need to check in Google Classroom for these additional assignments. Now, speaking of Google Classroom, you will notice that some of these assignments have an asterisk next to them. And you'll see here that marked assignments will have detailed instructions posted in Google Classroom each morning by 8 a.m. So when the kids log on to Google Classroom and go to classwork, these ones with the asterisks next to them, those would be those assignments in classwork that they need to actually turn in. But some of the assignments, you'll notice they don't have an asterisk, such as PowerWrite, because that's really an activity that we do together on Zoom. There's nothing that they turn in on Google Classroom. It's more of a class activity together during the day. So that's the difference between those two types of assignments. So that's just a little bit of information about this weekly overview document that you will be getting every Monday morning. As always, please reach out on Class Dojo if you have any questions or need any help.